Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chrysler 300 versus Bentley. We'll explore how these two sedans, though both luxurious, cater to very different drivers. One offers accessible elegance, while the other defines ultimate automotive opulence. We'll delve into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which might be the better fit for your lifestyle and budget. When it comes to performance, Bentley vehicles typically boast powerful engines, with some models offering over 700 horsepower. The Chrysler 300, while still powerful, provides strong V6 and V8 options, with its top-tier engine delivering 485 horsepower. Bentley also integrates sophisticated chassis and suspension technologies for an exceptionally refined driving experience, whereas the Chrysler focuses on solid, reliable performance for its class. Stepping inside, Bentley cabins are a masterclass in craftsmanship, featuring hand-stitched leather, exquisite wood veneers, and extensive customization options. The Chrysler 300 offers a spacious and comfortable interior with available Napa leather upholstery and an 4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. While both provide a luxurious feel, Bentley elevates it with unparalleled material quality, bespoke touches, and advanced features like rotating displays and massaging seats. When considering value, the Chrysler 300 presents a compelling option for luxury at a fraction of the cost, often starting in the tens of thousands of dollars. Bentley, however, represents a significant investment, with prices easily reaching hundreds of thousands. Ownership costs, including maintenance and insurance, will also be substantially higher for a Bentley. Ultimately, your choice depends on your budget and what level of exclusivity you desire. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.